Here we go. Made quite a bit of progress getting things cleaned up around here this weekend. Or last weekend, whatever weekend it is now. Some more lumber. Have our gutters. Got all of that finished up. It's all beautiful. Excellent job, guys. I got this cleaned up down here last week. Looking better. All this mess. Cut out the old lumber, replaced it with new, put in new concrete footings up to the structure. Next step is I gotta get this disaster cleaned off. New concrete footings, new posts with 45-degree angles on it. Coming around, getting pretty well cleaned up. Some of this is all that old wood's coming off the top, and we're gonna sister in some new joists to stiffen this up a bit. Another one. Let's see, it comes all the way up. Then we have our brackets in there. Let's keep everything in place. Come around here. I have to do some work to get these stairs all reconstructed. And I've been running for another 10 years, 20 years, something like that, 100 years. There we are, Bill. It's all finished. There's your view across the canyon from the front. We're getting there. It's a pretty massive project. Cleanup alone is enormous. Right, back around, and over there in the distance is our